while you were growing up in Zimbabwe, like what was the biggest lesson you were taught as a child, whether that be from your parents? You said your father was quite influential as well, siblings, teachers.
I think one of the biggest lessons was to respect everyone. It's something that shaped me to who I am today. Respect everyone, and it does not mean that you agree with them. That's something that a lot of people fail to learn as they grow older. They think if you disagree with someone, you hate them. And if you disagree with someone, you've got to think of ways of bringing them down. But no, if you can disagree with someone and respect them completely, look, I respect you. You're a human being. You have a right in your own way, your capacity that's God-given to make decisions and so on. And you've chosen different from me. With that disagreement, I respect you fully. So that's something I've learned from a very young age.
That's a really good lesson as well, because there are so many differences. But if we concentrate on what's common, alhamdulillah, we can...
I think something I could add to that is because we grew up in a multicultural, multi-religious society. The schools I went to were predominantly Christian, and a small number of Muslims and Jews and a few others. And so we interacted quite well, and from that young age, you realize and you learn that, these are the people I went to school with and so on. So it builds you in that direction.